Say hello to Tello, the smallest drone that we have ever had. Have you seen this thing yet, Lincoln?
Mm-mm.
Look how tiny that is.
Pretty heavy.
So this is from a company that DJI, you know DJI, like the home of the best drones in the world. They have the Phantom, they have the Mavic. Drones that we've probably bought 7 or 8 of them. Yeah, they have the Spark. This thing is actually smaller than the Spark. And this is a $99 drone. So a lot of you kids are always like, I want a drone, I want a drone. They're a lot of money, and if you're not making YouTube videos and making money off the YouTube videos, maybe it doesn't make sense to spend that much money on one. Well, today we're gonna show you the $99 drone. It doesn't take the best video ever at 720p, but it takes great pictures and it's a fun one to have. A lot of times Lincoln's had little helicopters or drones. What happens to them though?
They crash. Well, they just stop working.
Every
randomly.
single time, right?
Yep.
This thing is much more durable. It does have wings on the side that protects it from hitting things. Has the camera in the front here, and then you can put the battery on the back, and it gives you about 20 minutes of runtime with the drone. And it does some tricks, supposedly. It's supposed to flip. So we're gonna go test it out. Our friends at DJI sent us this for free. Thank you, DJI. So let's go outside. It's been a rainy day all day, but the rain just cleared, and I think it's time to test the Tello. And say hello to Tello.
Tello!
All right, we've got her set up on my phone. I got the Lincoln shot, stepping on the grass from the drone, and we've got this shot.
I'm making the water come up from the grass.
It rained a lot today. So I'm gonna try the first feature. I push a button on here. Hey, Lincoln.
Nice. You're scaring my puddle jumping.
Okay, so, whoa, watch out, Lincoln. Oh, there we go, now I'm figuring it out. So it doesn't have controllers like on some of the other drones. You have to use your fingers. All right, now I got you, Lincoln. Now you can do your jumping.
Oh, my shoes are so muddy.
Are you ready to see something you've never seen from any drone in your life? The drone flip. That's right. Are you ready? All that I have to do is swipe in my hand, and it swipes that way. It swipes that way.
Whoa, it does backflip?
That way. Whoa, don't go that way. Come back. Come back. So the cool thing about this, all I'm doing on here is swiping my finger. Whoop, yep, okay, you're coming that way. I'm swiping my finger on the screen, and it'll go that way. But then what's cool is the drone recenters to its center frame. Like I have it pointed at Lincoln, so even when I flip it, I'll go up this time. It goes back to Lincoln and it looks back at him. That's really cool. I've never seen a drone that's able to flip like that. Let's see how high it can go. This is a new one. Record a short video while flying in a circle. Okay, stay there, Lincoln. We're gonna fly it in a circle and see if it'll do it. I'm not touching the controllers. Looks like it's flying in a circle. Okay, so that's the circle. One thing you'll notice is it doesn't have a gimbal. It's not like your DJI Mavic and the Phantom where it has that gimbal, so it stays really, really stable. Oh, and it only connects to what's on your phone. So like right now, see Lincoln, there he is. It only connects to your phone, so you can only go a certain range. Like with the Mavic, you can go really far away. Look at that, how smart it is. It's going away from Lincoln because it senses his hand. It has 2 different landing modes. One of them is hand land. So Lincoln, put your hand out. I'm gonna do hand land.
Land on my hand.
Okay, it's coming to your hand.
Hey,
look at that.
Worked.
It worked.
For $99, that's amazing.
It's really cool. The battery's a little short. There are a few other things that we can do with it, but you have to have the battery above 50% to do some of the tricks. Like you can have it just zoom and fly away from you. You can have it bounce. I don't know why you want it to bounce, but it'll bounce.
Well, why not?
Yeah, so we're gonna try a lot of these things out. We're gonna take it with us on trips so that Lincoln can try flying his own drone. That's a little drone, that's a little safer. If he ruins it, it's only $99 rather than my $1,200 camera that I take around.
Still want to fly yours.
Still wants to fly. You can fly mine sometimes. You'll probably have just as likely of a chance of wrecking it as I have, so.
Yep.